Hey everyone, I'm Satvik. Recently, I completed the 5 Days Gen I course program by Google. This video was also the part of my final project of the Gen AI Capstone. For the Gen AI Capstone, I built a recipe suggester from scratch. Let's dive in. Let's begin with the demo. Here's my Kaggle notebook. Watch this. I'll input chicken, rice, soy sauce, and it checks if they work together, then gives a recipe. Same with pasta, tomato, cheese. Now let me explain everything clearly. I used day one's concept, the prompt engineering to shape the recipes, day two's concept, the embeddings to analyze ingredients, and day three's concept, the agents for the compatibility check. It's practical. I use it at home. Check my notebook for details. Check out my notebook through the link in the description. Hoping for that Kaggle swag. Thanks for watching.